I'm Jeff Jeannette, owner of Jeannette Architects here in Long Beach. Started the company in 2000, and our main focus is on residential, custom, new construction, and remodels. I used to do the as-built on our own for probably a good 5 or 6 years. We had used different companies with varying degrees of accuracy and headaches. We found PPM in 2008 after going through a lot of difficulties with other companies in accuracy, as well as in-house staff having to use them. And what we're trying to do is streamline the process, reduce the costs of the field measure process, and speed up the overall timeline. So for about 10 to 12 years, we've been using PPM, and we've been very, very pleased with the accuracy, the turnaround times, and professionalism from the company. Started with a company of about 4 people when we found PPM, and since then we have been able to significantly grow our business. We're at 11 people now, and I'm confident without PPM we wouldn't have been able to make that growth. By trusting them and allowing them to come out, interact with our clients, and do their work accurately, we've been able to take our company much further than I would have expected.